Here's a behind the scenes look at what I do while I get ready for a live stream. Okay, time to go hit the computer and get ready for the live. This is the actual live stream I did this morning, and you can see I'm taking a few extra sips from my mug because I was quite out of breath, sweaty, and super thirsty. I highly recommend doing some form of exercise before going live because it helps you get energized, get excited, and shake out any last-minute nerves you might have. Try it sometime. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.